So hello Raj, are you with me? So our today's session is totally a follow-up of the previous session. Okay, the recording has started. It is the follow-up of previous session, which was based on what we say knapsack. Okay. So guys, before I start this session, let's Raj clear up some terminology, some basic terminologies. Okay. So let's say we have this array. Okay, 2 5 3 8 5 9 5 10. So, guys, I just want you to tell me, Raj, that what is the meaning of subset of a array? Any subset? Can you tell me any subset of this array? Or, guys, do you know any subset of this array? Please start writing it in the chat. Raj, do you? Can you tell me what is the meaning of subset of array? Any part of the array, right? So, tell me some parts. Any part? 2 5 8 is a subset, right? Then 2 5 5. Subset can be of any size, right? Single element is also subset. This is also subset, right? Acha, is this the subset of the array? 13. So, guys, this is what I want to clear up first. Subset is nothing but a part of array. Some elements of the array, if you take out of this array, we can call it as the subset of the array. So, Raj, is this clear? What is the meaning of subset of array? Guys, I want each one of you to write in the chat if the meaning is clear of subset of array. Okay, write yes or no. Okay, let me check the chat. Raj, you also write. Okay, in the chat box. I hope the meaning of subset would be clear because it's very easy. Guys, please write in the chat if you understood the meaning of subset. Then only I will go ahead with the dynamic programming session. Okay, Yashi is saying yes. Others also please contribute. Priyanshu, Vikram, Shobhan, Manoj, Kunal, take some efforts and write in the chat if you guys understand what is the meaning of subset of array. Okay. So Raj, the meaning of subset is clear, right? Okay. So, okay, everyone is saying, yeah, subset is nothing but subsequence only. Okay, Shobhan? Clear? There is no difference between subset or subsequence. Clear? Whatever array is given to you, you choose any set of elements, we can call it a subset. Everyone clear? So, let me write it in some doc now. Let's increase the size. Let me do it as 55. So, the meaning of subset is clear, right? Any set of elements of an array. So this thing is clear. Now the question is find if subset of some x exists in the array. This is our question. Okay, Araj? So guys, basically what they are okay, who is trying to enter the meet? Okay. So basically what is happening is Raj that we are given an array and the question is can you find a subset whose sum is x? Got it? For example, guys, if this array is given to us, Raj, okay, 3, 34, 4, 12, 5, to this much clear, Raj? So can you tell me any subset whose sum will be 9? This is our question. Can anyone in the chat tell me any subset whose sum is 9? Array? Very smart, very smart, very smart. So, which is the subset with target sum 9? 4, 5. Yes or no, Raj? If my array was 2, 5, 10, and they were asking us, tell me the subset with target sum 15, what would be the answer? Very good, very good, very good. What if the question was for this subarray, target sum 13? Yeah, target sum 13. Okay, just ignore 13, say target sum 1300. So we say it is not possible. Got the answer? The answer is always yes or no. Answer is yes or so basically, guys, I want each one of you in the chat to write if the question is clear. The question is if given an array, you have to say if it is possible to get this target sum or not. You have to say either yes or no. To get sum 9, it was possible. So the output will be yes. But to get the sum 1300 from this array is Raj not possible. Is it possible, Raj? Even if you add all the array elements, it will not reach 1300, right? So the question is this only: say yes or say no. So yes or say no. Clear, everyone? So guys, if the question is clear, please write it in the chat. Yes or no. Okay. Kunal Raj is saying clear. Yashi is saying clear. Very good. Interesting. Interesting. Nice. Thank you guys. So Raj, question is clear, right? So what I want to do, Raj, is that I want to discuss some basic stuff. So for solving this problem, na, what we will be doing is we will be taking a two-dimensional DP I comma j. Clear, Raj? Now you would easily understand if you attended my previous session, or you would start thinking, what is Bhaiya doing all of a sudden? Okay. So I hope it is nothing new to you, okay? Because you attended the previous session. Clear? And for the YouTube community, the link to the previous sessions and the full dynamic programming playlist will be in the description below. So Raj, DPI of J, right? So what will be the meaning of this? Let's think. It will say yes or no. What will be the output? No, no, no. Just no, 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 no. I am just not talking what is the meaning of I and J. I'm just saying its output will be yes or no. Got it? Bull, true or false, basically. Yeah, true or false. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is uh for array of size I, for array of size, repeat with me, Raj, array of size I, is some j possible or not? This is the meaning of DP of, yeah. Is some j possible or not? So the DP of ij, meaning once it is clear, you know now the step of solving DP. First make empty one two dimensional arrays, right? Then define the state and think of the definition of the state we are trying to make of DP. Then things get easier. So let's do the definition part first, okay? So what will be the meaning of DP of I of j? Can you tell me, Raj? Yes or no? If for array of is acha, is sum of j possible or not? So guys, DPIJ means basically we're trying to consider the only first I elements and trying to find if the sum of j target sum j is possible or not. Clear? Clear, Raj? So guys, I want each one of you to write in the chat. Now I will be showing some examples. I want you guys to write. Tell me the value of DP of I of j. Okay. So say this is our array, guys. Okay. Clear, Raj? Let's say the index of this 5 is 1. What will be the index of this? This is the array B, okay? Tell me the further index. Okay. Now if a guy comes to you and tells you, tell me the value of dp of phi of 4. Okay? So he's saying a yes or no. He's asking you. Phi means what? First five elements. He's saying if you consider the first five elements, is there any is there any subset with the sum equal to 4? So guys, please write in the chat. I am not asking to Raj. Guys, can anyone from the chat tell me, is there a subset in this array whose sum is equal to 4? This is the question. Yes or no? That will be the answer of DP5 of 4. Okay, I'm sharing the screen again. So if my screen is visible, do let me know, guys. Okay. Raj, screen visible again? Is it visible? So guys, Raj, can you tell me what is the meaning of DP of 5 of 4? Yeah. So basically, if you say it clearly, the 5 means what? If you are considering the first 5 elements of the array, we are trying to find is there any subset in this first 5 elements of sum 4. So what do you think, Raj? Is there present subset of 4? No. So answer will be what? And guys, can you tell in the chat if the answer no is correct? Yes or no? No, na? Okay. Vikram is also saying no. Guys, now I will ask another question. I want every one of you to write in the chat. So I can be confirmed that you guys listened properly. Okay. Let's take one more example, right, Raj? So we have this 2, 5, 8, 10, 13, 50, 18. Okay. What is the index here, Raj? Okay. 20, then 50. Okay. Okay. This much is clear. Okay. Okay. Himanshu, the good boy, also came in the meeting. So, the question for you guys is, what is the answer of DP of 5 of 7? Raj will not say, all of you write in the chat. Its meaning is, if you consider the first 5 elements, can you get the sum of 7? Can you get the sum of 7? The DP of 5 of 7 का मतलब क्या है? If you consider the first 5 elements, if you consider the first 5 elements, consider the first 5 elements, is sum of 7 possible? Is sum of 7 possible? This is the actual question. Is sum of 7 possible? Guys, write yes or no in the chat, okay? Everyone is saying yes. Guys, which is that subset? Raj, tell me, how can you get sum 7 from the first 5 elements? So what are those number? 2 and 5. So answer will be yes. And what is the subset? Okay. Spot on. Next question. Guys, DP of 8 of, let me think. DP of 8 of 8. Yes or no, Raj and others? Try to the chat. How is it possible? By choosing this number, right? What is the meaning of DP of 8? It means consider the first 8 elements, right? And the second 8 means try to find a number with some 8, right? So if the question was DP of 8 of 10, what would you say? And there is one more way, 2 and 8 also, right? So guys, last question. Let's say I have an array 4, 8, 10, 12. Okay, clear? 1, 2, 3, 4 is the index. Clear, Raj? Tell me DP of 2 of 50. Raj, tell me what will be its answer. What is the meaning of this? Can you clear what is the meaning of first two? Yeah, but we only have 4 and 8. Can it ever become 50? So answer is what? If some guy comes you and tells you, then what will be the answer? So are you sure? So this is yes. What is the number which is making sum 12? Okay, very good. So guys, I hope the thing is clear. But before moving on, let's now say how will we calculate the answer. That is also very much important, right, Raj? So you know now my special trick in DP. Whenever you don't know what to do, always consider infinitely large array, right? Just consider that you are at index I. You are where? And let's try to find the answer for this one, okay? We could find the answer for small cases, but now we are a bit pro, right? So doing that doesn't suits us, right, Raj? So the thing is, DPI of J. If some guy is telling you, let's say the J is 10, what is it? So the guy is telling you, is there a subset considering the first element such that the sum is 10? Okay, he's asking you this thing. Okay, so you know what? DP is nothing but common sense and common logic. What is DP, Raj? Common sense and common logic. So, can I ask a question? Is there a subset of sum 10 in I minus 1? I can ask that question, right? So, if dp of I minus 110 is equal to yes, what is it? It means what? That you have a sum of 10 in this much part, yes or no? So if you have a sum of 10 in this much part, then obviously if you include the I, then also you will have a sum of 10 part, yes or no? So if dp of I minus 1 10 is yes, then dp of I of 10 is also. So, guys, is this much clear what I am trying to say? Can you see, guys, how are we using the previous calculated value and giving the answer of I? We are using I minus 1 value to give the answer of I. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, Raj? Okay, okay, okay. Now let's try to explain this. Let's do this with an example, okay? So, say we are at this index I. Clear, Raj? I minus 1, and there are so many indices like this. And say our current number is G. What is it? G. The top G. So dp of I of 10. What they are asking us? So they are asking us, is it possible that if the size of array is I and the sum is 10? So what you can do is you can ask the first question. If, tell me, if dp of I minus 1 of 10 is true, what is it? True or yes, whatever. Then the answer will be what? Yes. What will be the answer? सो गाइस दिस इज कॉमन सेंस. देखो समझो बात को. अगर ये क्या बोल रहा है कि अगर पहला आई एलिमेंट्स लिया तो क्या 10 वाला सम आ सकता है? क्या यही पूछ रहा है ना? तो जरूरी तो नहीं है कि सब एलिमेंट्स को लेना है सबसेट में, राइट? तो तुम बस पूछ रहे हो एक और क्वेश्चन. अगर 1 से लेके आई माइनस 1 तक भी 10 का सम आ गया ना, तो फिर दिखती बात है 1 से लेके आई में भी वही वाला सबसेट यूज करके यस बोल देंगे. कॉमन सेंस है कि नहीं गाइस? गाइस, इज दिस नॉट कॉमन सेंस? Guys, everyone write in the chat if this thing is clear. dp of I of 10 will only be yes if and only if, okay, one of the if dp of I minus 110 is true, then we can say dp of I of 10 is also true. Is this thing clear? Raj, is this thing clear? Okay, everyone in the chat please write. Very good. Good guys, good guys, good guys. Okay, now say this was not true, say this was not possible, okay, or whatever, okay. What was the other way? In this way, we include the index I? We did not include. Yes, yes or no? We ignored this index. Yes or no? So, what was the first option? First option is ignore the index I. Yes or no, Raj? When you ignore the element at index I, the answer is nothing but equivalent to dp of minus 1 j. Yes or no? Or you can say 10. J is 10, na? The other option is now we will use basic common sense. Perspicacity. So we want some 10, yes or no, bro? Say you have a 8 written here. What do you have here? You have a basket. What do you have in the right? What do you have? You want how much sum in this basket? If you include 8 in this basket, how much more will you need to reach 10? 2. So if you ask a question, is dp of I minus 1 2 possible? Is if dp of I minus 1 of 2 is possible, then dp of I of 10 is also possible, because you will take 2 from here, you will take 8 from here, and 2 plus 8 will become what? So got the two conditions. One is, guys, write with me. If dp of, say Raj, then second condition, if dp of I minus 1 j minus, say the current element was b of I. If this thing is yes, then say Raj. Yes. And if these both are not fulfilling, then is no. Yes or no? Clear? So, guys, I want each one of you to write in the chat. Then we will proceed further. Okay. If this much basic stuff is clear, okay, it is not very complicated. Sure, sure, Vikram. I will repeat once more. Okay, once more we will repeat. Basically, I'm trying to find the condition to find the answer of dp of I of j. So, say you are at index I. Yes, Raj. Yes or no? And the current number at this index is b of I. What is it? So, you want to fill a basket. What do you want to fill? And the basket target sum should be what? T. What should it be? So if you include this ith element in the basket, you include b of I, okay? Yes or no? So what will be the leftover? What will be the leftover? We can focus on the leftover. What will be the leftover? T minus b of I. Now all you have to do is ask the person, ask our God, is there t minus b of I present in this much part? Okay. So this basically means if dp of I minus 1 of this leftover was what? Yeah, if this thing is possible, if this thing is yes, if this thing is yes, then obviously dp of I of t will also be yes. I hope Vikram now you understood. Okay, so guys, this much thing is clear now. How will we do it in a general scenario? Let's discuss. Okay, so how should we run the for loops and all that we are trying to discuss? So the first for loop for I will start from the first index of array till, tell me Raj. Okay, so one for loop will be needed, right? The second is for j, right? J will start from 1 till target. Yes or no? Okay. And here we will write our dp. Here I will calculate dpij. Yes or no? Okay. So what will be the time complexity, guys? It is two for loop. Okay. Don't say Raj. I want other people to say. We have two nested for loops. Can you guys tell me the time complexity in the chat, guys? Yeah, guys, I want the time complexity from you. Yeah. Only Vikram has written. Raj, can you also type the time complexity? Yeah, n into t. How, guys, this is n? Because first I am running the loop from 1 to n. So what will be the time complexity? O of n multiplied by, for each index again I am running loop from 1 to t. 1 to Raj, 1 to. So time complexity is n into t. Yes or no? Now, what can be the maximum value of t? Guys, can you use common sense? What can be the maximum value of t for the array question? सम ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स, उससे बड़ा टारगेट थोड़ी हो सकता है. अगर तुमने एरे के सारे बंदों को ऐड कर दिया और समझो, say if you add all the array elements and it become 150 and a guy comes and tell you can you reach t equal to 200, तो तुम मुंह पे बोल सकते हो भाई इसका कोई सेंस नहीं बनी बात का, डीपी करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. अगर 150 के ऊपर टी है तो कैलकुलेट ही क्यों कर रहे हो, नहीं हो सकता. समझ रहे हो? जितने पैर है उतना ही चादर फैलाओगे ना, मतलब समझ रहे हो ना बात को. तो so the real time complexity will be in the worst case n into sum. Yes or no? So this is polynomial time complexity. What is this? Okay, the linear one is not possible. The day you find a linear solution, you can say you proved n equal to np. Okay. So let's ignore that for some time, right, Raj? Laughing. So for now, guys, let's have a look at the code. Raj, let's start looking at the code. So we are given six elements: 3, 34, 4, 12, 5, 2, and you want to reach the target sum 9. Is it possible? Yes or no? Raj, which elements will give you sum 9? This is the example. Just observe it. I'm zooming it for you. Okay, 3, 4, 2, and 4 and 5 was also there. Why are you worried? So there are two subsets which are good, right? So if I compile, it gives the yes answer. Now let's do the explanation of this code, right, Raj? So I hope you will write this code in Java and upload in document. Okay. Okay. People still joining, start trying to join. So initially I take an empty array of B, right? Then I read the target. Target is nothing but K. N is the size of the array. Then I read each and every element. Clear, Raj? And I try to find the sum. Clear? Now I create a DP array. DP 0 of 0 is true. Guys, is this clear? Why is this true? Let me tell you why. क्या कहते हैं राज, what is the meaning of dp 0 of 0? It means you are considering no element. What are you considering? if you consider if you consider no element, can you get zero sum? Yes. No element तो zero sum ही होगा ना. Common sense है कि नहीं इस बात में? So dp 0 of 0 will be what? True. What will it be? So you can call it as the base case. What can you call it? Base case. BC लिख दिया. Base case. Okay. So this thing is clear. Raj. Now see, I'm running a for loop from 1 to n, and then 1 to t, or you can say 0 to t to be more precise. Okay, 0 to t. I have written some here. What you could write? You could write a k here, I think. Okay, okay. So you could have write k, but we are considering in this problem that all the array elements are positive. Okay, in case the number could be negative now, then just running the loop till k would not suffice if the answer is correct, because the sum can go lower also. Okay, और now it is common sense ना कि पॉजिटिव में पॉजिटिव बड़ा ही होगा, तो k के ऊपर तो जा नहीं सकते भाई, इसलिए k तक ही लूप लूप लगा रहे हैं. Clear? So now what was the condition? If dp I minus 1j true, then yeah, and the next is if I minus 1 j minus b of I is true, then else false. So why I am not written false? Because I declare it globally, it was already false only. Got it? Then what is the final answer? Watcha guys, what will be the final answer? If the array size is n, guys please write in the chat. If the array size is n and the target sum is k, what will be the final answer? Just wait, Raja. Let people answer in the chat. DP of what? DP of what will be the final answer? Question is asking you the size of array is n and you want to reach the target k. Guys, tell me what will be the final answer in the chat. DP n of k. Anshir is saying right. What will be the final answer, Raj? Yeah. So see, I have written here that only if dp of n of k is not equal to true, then it is no. If it is true, then yup. Yes. Clear? Okay. So now let's discuss a harder version of this problem. Okay. Now the question is that they are giving you what we say. This is the array given to you. Okay. And the target is 9. Clear? Okay. Okay. So guys, I want one of you to write the C++ code for it. So okay, no worries. We'll do that on a later stage. So, what do we want, Raj and others? If the target, if we can reach the 9 sum or not, yes or no? So, guys, apart from Raj, everyone in the chat, right? Tell me, is the answer yes or no to this question? Can you reach the sum 9 by using this array? Please tell me in the chat, guys. I'm waiting. Anshir is saying yes. What are others saying? Okay, they are correct. Good. I like it. Nice. So, Raj, it is possible to reach some 9, right? You can pick any 4, you can pick any 5, right? Now the question is changing. You know, now you are attending Kumar K classes. So, obviously, a good follow up is going to come, right? I think just by looking at the numbers, you might be getting the idea what will be the follow up, right? So, the question is okay, I will only say number of subsets. Number of subsets such that the sum is t. If no subset is having some t, the answer will be 0. Yes or no? Yeah. So is asking you count of subset with some t. Count of subset with some. So this is our second question. So say this is index 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, please start telling me all the subsets whose sum will be 9. Raj, any subset? First subset 1 comma. ना ना इंडेक्स नेम से बोलो इंडेक्स नेम से. 1 2 1 4 2 3 3 4. गाइस, एवरीवन राइट यस और नो इन द चैट। इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर चार होगा। चार तरीके हैं नौ लाने के। अभी क्वेश्चन में एक ही, ओनली वन चेंजेस हैपेंड। यस और नो नहीं बताना है। नो का तो ठीक है, यस में बताना कितने तरीका है भाई। सिर्फ यस बोल के काम नहीं चलेगा। गॉट इट? सो राज, द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज फोर। व्हाट इज द आंसर? देयर आर फोर वेज टू गेट सम नाइन। देयर आर फोर वेज टू गेट सम। हाउ मेनी वेज आर देयर? So guys, everyone in the chat write yes or no if the question is clear. Yeah, four subsets. Very good. Keep on writing in the chat. It increases our motivation. Very good. So guys, the fourth thing is clear. But now, ऐसा बोल के तो नहीं हो जाएगा ना. We'll have to solve the problem also, right? Right, Raj? So this is also a common thing. It is not that hard if you think properly. You know, you can use the previous formula again. Okay. Uh, Let me open a new document or something new. So now we are already trained professionals, right? We know now, we did the previous version, so this should not be complicated, right? So guys, if someone is asking you number of ways to reach index I with some j, okay, this is what I, what is this? Can you tell me, Raj? This is, so guys, what are the number of ways to get some j if the, if you are only considering the first I elements, okay? So, guys, is it not common sense? Say there were five ways. There were five ways to get some j from first from I minus one elements. How many ways were there to get the sum j from I minus one elements, Raj? So if those five ways were like this, one was x, one was x5, x8, one was x2, one was x2, x2, x8, one was x4. Clear? These were the five ways. This is which way? First. This, this is, this is, this is. All these have sum as j. इसका भी sum क्या आ रहा है? बस हाइपोथेटिकली अज्यूम करो, इसका भी क्या आ रहा है? इसका भी, इसका भी, इसका भी. So if I ignore this element, if Raj, are you there with me? If I ignore the element, will not these ways also become valid for dpij? I am considering one more index and ignoring the I. So the dp of I of j is nothing but same number of ways as dp of I minus 1j. Clear? If there are five ways to get the sum j from I minus 1 elements, then there are also five ways to get some uh, uh, for to get some j from the first I elements. इसको मैं थोड़ा डीपली समझाऊं. ये लो, समझो कि ये अपना एरे था. ठीक है भाई, ये इंडेक्स क्या था? व्हाट वाज दिस इंडेक्स? So guys, please accept Raj. Each and everyone in the meeting. This is one index, two, three. Clear? Yes or no, Raj? Guys, each and everyone in the meeting, right now tell me the number of ways to get the sum 9 using first two index. Write in the chat. Everyone, including Raj. Number of ways to get sum 9 by using only first two index. सिर्फ अगर पहला दो तो एक ही तरीका है. Yes or no, guys? There is how many way, Raj, to get index sum as 9? Which is that way? Who is saying in middle? Yes, say Vikram. What happened? I did not get your question. We are not considering the zeroth element. For now, I'm using the array of one based indexing. Okay, you can use whichever indexing you want. Okay, in case you are using zero, then you have to handle the corner case. So I minus one don't go into runtime error. Got it? Also, in this problem, also I think we did a small mistake. Okay. For example, Vikram, can you see I wrote j minus b of I here? 32. Guys, Raj and Vikram, can you both see I wrote j minus b of I here? But guys, what if j minus b of I become negative? If it become negative, then our code will give error, na? Because in array you cannot write negative number. Can you write a of minus 5? Have you ever seen that? So guys, you had to tell me कि भैया अपनी condition तो ठीक कर लो. ठीक है? So, हाँ तो जीरो तो जीरो एलिमेंट कंसीडर करेंगे तो एक तरीका होता है. कितना तरीका होता है? एक तरीका होता है. ठीक है ना, दिखा देता हूँ. Guys, he's asking me what will be the answer of dp of 0 of 0, right Vikram? So yeah, just calm down, Vikram. Vikram, you can go on mute for some time, ठीक है? So जय क्या कहते हैं अपना, कौन था यार, नाम ही भूल गया. Raj. Raj, what will be the answer of dp of 0 of 0? True. And how many ways are to do this? Common sense. No, एक तरीका है इसको करने का. If you want zero sum by using no element, कुछ मत करो, वही एक तरीका हो जाता है, समझे? इसको जब ट्रू बोला तो इसका मतलब क्या है? कोई तो तरीका होगा. Yeah, so never forget those basic things. Clear? So Vikram, I will come to your doubt after I stop the recording. Okay? For now, this much is clear, na Vikram and क्या कहते हैं Raj? DP of 2 of 9 is what? 1. सब yes बोलते हैं कि नहीं बोलते इस बात को? अच्छा, Priyanshu, everyone is saying yes. Okay. So guys, if uh yeah, so DP of 2 of 9 is clear. अगर अब कोई, अब if now somebody asks you DP of 3 of 9, what does he ask you, Raj and Vikram? So this is also 1, but this is same as DP of 2 of 9, समझे? That's why I am saying DP of I of j, the number of ways is same as. Got it, Vikram? This much is clear? Yes or no, Vikram? Raj? Okay. So guys, this is one way. There is other way also which you guys are missing. There is also one more way. Okay, so let me clear it up. Say you had 4, you had 5, you had 2, and you had 7. Clear, guys? Vikram and Raj, clear? Vikram and Raj, both of you, and in the chat, please tell me what will be the answer of DP of 3 of 9. How many ways are there to get the sum as 9 using first three elements? Raj and Vikram, which is that way? Okay. Now, if I do DP of 4 of 9, which will be the one way will be same as DP of 3 of 9. Yes or no, Vikram and Raj? Yes or no, Vikram and Raj? Plus, so एक तरीका तो इधर से आ जाएगा, जो पहले का 4 5 था वही, उससे 9 आ जाएगा. दूसरा, in this you are ignoring the ith index, right? Yes or no, Vikram and Raj? This is I minus 1, this is what, 4. Here you are ignoring the 4, you are writing DP 3 of 9. If you include this 4, Vikram, what sum do we want in the end? No, I'm not asking that. I'm not asking that. I'm asking what is the question? What target sum do you want? 9. Never forget this important thing. किसके लिए सॉल्व कर रहे हैं भाई? राज किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? तो अगर मैंने 7 को इंक्लूड कर लिया, बस बस क्या बोलते हैं, बास्केट में 9 चाहिए था, 7 डाल दिया, तो और कितने की जरूरत है? तो हम यही चेक करेंगे ना, क्या क्या ये सबसेट में 2 आता है कि नहीं आता. सो जितने भी तरीके हैं कि इसके अंदर 2 आ जाए, वो इसमें ऐड नहीं हो जाएंगे, समझे? अगर अगर 2 आने के समझो 5 तरीके थे, x1, x2, x3, x4, देयर आर 5 ways. नाउ इफ आई ऐड 7 टू ऑल ऑफ देम, तो ये 5 तरीके उसमें ऐड नहीं हो जाएंगे? आंखें खुली, दिमाग की आंखें खुली। हाँ, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग DP3 of 9। दूसरा बताओ क्या होगा, DP3 ऑफ। क्लियर विक्रम एंड राज? So guys, please tell me the final formula for this. What should I write? DP of I of j will be what? Guy, Vikram will say. Vikram, say me the formula. Minus 1 j plus DP of minus 1. Raj, can you tell me? J minus j वो बड़ा नंबर है जिसको रीच करना है इसलिए, हाँ. So Vikram and Raj, this is clear. So is it not possible that I use the same code of previous and do the current also? आई एम यूजिंग द सेम कोड जो पहले का था, उसमें थोड़ी लाइन तो चेंज करूंगा, टेंशन मत करो. पूरा सेम नहीं लिखूंगा, इतना भी नूब नहीं हूँ. ठीक है. तो भाई आई डिड दिस. ठीक है. सो गाइज नाउ टेल मी फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. राज नहीं, आई वांट विक्रम टू टेल मी द आंसर. विक्रम, you are given an array of size 6 and the target sum is 9. In how many ways can you reach the sum 9? Just think for some time, Vikram. How many ways are there? Can you see at least one way? Yeah, yeah, this is the array. This is the array, blue color. Okay, let me see. So, Raj, there is one 5 comma 4 way, right, Raj? Raj, are you there? So, is there second way or is only 5 comma 4? I'm just investigating. 3, 4, 2. See, brilliancy of Raj. I never observed that. Very good. Congratulations, Raj. So, 3, 4, 2 is also there, Vikram, right? So, there are how many ways? So, what should our code give the answer? 2. Yes? So I just have to change one thing. Rather than making it bull, let's make it long in type. Okay, Vikram and Raj. What will be the answer, Vikram and Raj, of DP 0 of 0? 1. Now, what will be the formula? Now, anyone? Okay, wait, let me write the formula myself. So, DP of I of j, guys, anyone want to tell me the formula? I minus 1 plus j minus. Okay. But, guys, we need to take care. If j minus I is greater than equal to, only then you should do the stunt in your life. Okay, else उसको इग्नोर कर देंगे वाले टर्म को, वो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता ना. So and there is a little bit of mistake in first code. You have to add a if condition extra, na, Raj and Vikram here. So please correct it and upload the code, okay? So for now let me check if everything is fine. So Raj and Vikram, we are running the for loop 1 to n while loop. Yes, Raj and Vikram, we are running j from where to where? From 0 to k. Okay, okay, okay. If j minus b of I is greater than equal to 0, then I am writing this or else I am writing this. Very good, very good, very good. And what do I need to print? Just print C out dp nk. Yes or no? Okay, I hope this much is clear. Uh-huh. I think there might be some mistake, but then also I'm just checking it out. Guys, see the answer. Congratulations. What is the answer? Vikram, what is the answer? And Raj, you also confirm answer too. So guys, is this clear to everyone? Please write yes in the chat. Raj and Vikram, clear? समझ गया ना क्या काम किया इधर? ठीक है. So guys, please write in the chat yes or no. ठीक है. Let me check. Okay, everyone is writing yes. Okay. Let me stop the recording for a second. कर दिया